Tool that can be used for drawing a different geometry in SketchUp is what's called Arc Tool, which is basically used for drawing the curve line. There are multiple different ways, 3 different ways in order to create the arc in SketchUp. I'm going to go over one of them and then you feel free to play with the rest of them. It's basically a different way of creating the arc. It's the same thing and the outcome will be the same thing. So the one that I'm going to use is this one. I'm going to click on the arc, or I just type A, and then in my drawing click one side, then go all the way to the other. That gives me the length of the arc, and then when I go to this side it can give me what it called the distance from that length line, which is called bulge. And here same thing, same deal, you can type or you can just just click on different places in the drawing area in order for creating the arc. Go around and then create another arc here, and then one, and then I'm gonna go and then close this one as well, and then like just simply creating a different a form. And you can imagine the possibility of like creating a multiple shape or very complex shape. Then I can just go here and use the push and pull, or just type P, and then using the push and pull phase in order to create some sort of a geometry out of that simple 2D shape. Here that's actually very helpful to create a very complex shape. Let's go ahead and you press a space to go to the selection, and then let's select these things and then delete it. And another way of using this SketchUp is basically using it in order to create a round corner. So if I, for example, use the rectangle, if I have a box here and I want to create some sort of a rounded corner instead of just a regular corner, what I can do is that I can use the arc in order to create that. So I'm going to type A again, and here I'm going to go on one corner, and as you can see, whenever my mouth goes on this edge, it just snaps to this edge. I'm going to click on one side and then go to the other side, and as I move along that edge, if I go to this way, it's going to work this way. Right after the place that the distance from this point to this corner is the same as the other one, it automatically snaps to that place. And I'm going to click on this side, and as you can see, I can just create a curve form, or I can place it right in a place that is kind of a tangent to those two edges. I'm going to click here, and now I create my round corner on one side. What I can do is that I'm going to press a space and select this two edge and a face, and then delete that, and then create one edge on this side. Then I go to the other side, type A, and go back to the arc tool, and see if you can find that. Yeah, here we go. And then from this corner, we're going to go all the way, and then doing the same thing, same distance and the tangent. And then I'm going to go here and I'll leave it as a tangent. And then again, pressing a space, and then selecting this piece, and then delete that. And now I create like a round corner. If I use a push and pull tool, you see that it just creates a round corner. You can go as bold as you want. You can just create one circle on one side or one circle on this side, and then create like some sort of a little bit complex shape in your design.